What's up, beautiful people? Welcome once again to HN Welcome to another wonderful tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn the tricks of dart manipulation. Guys, I'm sure dart manipulation is still like a mystery that you're still trying to demystify, okay? So they're just simple tricks that you need to know, and that is what we're going to be discussing. That is the purpose of this video, okay? So what is dart manipulation? Dart manipulation is this darts you have here, this fullness, transferring it to other places, okay? You want to transfer this dart or fullness to other places and form another design, another style. That is what dart manipulation really entails, okay? So this is dart manipulation for beginners, guys, for beginners. So let us begin. I have my bodies in the full scale. I'm going to be closing up these two shoulder darts and transferring this fullness to the waist temporarily. It's going to be at the waist remember the word, the key word is what? Temporarily. Thank you. So let's do that quickly. I'll slash one line here. I'm starting from the one closest to me. I'm going to then use the other one and place it right on top of it. And once you transfer the darts, guys, it will never ever lay flat no more. Okay, so I'm going to then use my paper tape and hold down. For that manipulation, the two ingredients, your scissors, your paper tape, right? That's what you actually need, scissors and paper tape. Then maybe your measuring tape. Those are the things, the key ingredients for dart manipulation. So you can come up with whatever design in your wildest dream that you ever think of. Transferring your darts will make that possible. Great. So now that I have this, I'll just go ahead to then go straight to my waist dart here. You see, this is where the bust is, no more lying flat. I'm going to just cut that midline. Cut on that middle line all the way to the top. Great, it lies flat now. Amazing. So now that we have gotten this, we are going to then do the same thing for the right hand side, or is it the left hand side? We're doing the same thing for the other side anyway. Slash through one dart and then put it on top of itself. Close that dart, guys. This is the trick to dart manipulation. The trick to it is this. Beautiful. Then go straight to that bottom part and then just slash through. Slash through it. Yes, so this is what we're going to be having now. We have successfully transferred this shoulder dart to the waist darts. Now this is not the end. We want to then do a dart manipulation. Let me also use the opportunity to redraw that shoulder line because yeah that's so funny. Anyway, you get the gist. I'm also going to cut this neckline. This is a 3x3 neckline, so it's just a normal round neck line. Okay, now we have this. We want to go right ahead and draw new lines, beautiful lines. I'm going to show you what to do. I'm going to draw one of the lines from this shoulder tip here where we stop the slashing to. I'm going to draw it all the way to this top here. Okay, so it's cutting across here. There'll be a seam line from there, and then I'll draw one from this tip here to this part here. Okay, so these are the new slashed lines. This is the trick behind that manipulation. This fullness, you want to put them as style lines. In fact, you can come up with crazy, beautiful, different designs. So I will just slash here. Let me put a tape there to hold this part down so it doesn't fall out. I'm going to slash here. Once I slash there, you see that this place will relax, and then I'll just close it up. I will close up that dot by meeting up that 2 points there. Okay, I'll use my paper tape to hold it in place here and here. Beautiful. So you want that place to meet up that way. There's a fullness now here that you can pleat, you can gather, you can whatever to that fullness. Okay, don't forget to sign up for classes. It's not just enough to do all of this. You need to learn how to manipulate it. So here, instead of just matching it up, you don't want any dots here anymore. You're going to overlap it. Overlap the dot so that it closes up. That's, you're eliminating the waste dot completely. Beautiful. So once you do this, you have a fullness here. Let's put paper under and then trace it properly. I have one paper here. Let's place it under. Okay, so that's a fullness. Great. So once you match it up this way, right, because you can either sew it to form a pleat like this. Let me just trim that upper part like this. Once you match it up this way, like this, you can form it, or you can decide that you want to do pleats to form a fullness. You can decide to do anything with this part. You can decide to sew it outside and form a style line outside. See guys, you are underrating that manipulation. I'm telling you, you are underrating that manipulation. Just make use of this pattern. Like, don't limit it. Make best use of your patterns, don't limit it. So let me just be pasting. Okay. This is just the simple trick to that manipulation. Don't get scared. That manipulation, you not get scared and timid and run away. No, that manipulation is bae. Say it with me. That manipulation is bae. So match it up here. Trim whatever excess you are having. That is all. That is all. Amazing. So what do you think, guys? Do you think you're going to try this out? I can fold it this way and let it come out like this, right? Form style lines there. You can decide that you don't even want just 2 of them. You can put another set here, however you want to. You can still reduce here, add more fullness somewhere else. So what do you think, guys? Are you willing to try this out? Amazing. I love this, okay? So this is just a simple trick to that manipulation. Take your fullness and put it somewhere else and you are done. If you're going to be trying this out, let me know. If you love the outcome, let me know as well. If you want other dart manipulation videos, let me know also, okay? So we have come to the end of this tutorial. If you did enjoy this tutorial, very quick, easy peasy lemon squeezy one. If you did enjoy this tutorial, give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to. Comment below, and till we see you in the next tutorial. Stay safe, God bless you all. Bye.